My name's Roger Connor, and at Fort Houston they call me Dr. Dust. Fort Houston is like the YMCA for woodworkers, metalworkers, and other artisans. People pay a small monthly fee and they get access to the best professional equipment there is. We have people building big cabinets, turning beautiful eggs, and making little tiny bowls out of ceramic. Everything you can imagine is done right here at Fort Houston. Now, we have dust control at the source at every one of those pieces of equipment. The trouble is you can't collect 100% of the dust. The dust that gets away from the controls at the tool is the fine dust, and that's the dust that can kill you. When I found this unit, I fell in love immediately. Based on my research, this AFS is different than anything else on the market because it's designed to capture the submicron dust. For us, the three main features are it cleans the air, it's quiet, and it's mobile. We will place it near a source of dust like sanding or slanding on a lathe. Overnight, we hang them from the ceiling so they can move the air all around the room and clean it. We can place it wherever we need to. The other filtration units I've looked at have expensive filters that have to be replaced like every month. This unit has a filter, you vacuum it off, use it again for months or years. I bought an air monitoring device, and the first morning that I came in with a safe level of particulate was the morning after I ran these units overnight the first time.